Hello, I'm Judi O'Bryan. I'm the Area Extension Director for East 3 and 4. Okay, funny story. I got involved in Extension because I had graduated from college. My mother decided I needed a job, and so she harassed me until I put in a application for Extension, and really quickly was hired. Thought I'd stick around for about a year and then go on and get my master's degree, and really fell in love with the job, and so I stayed and have been here 31 years. I guess the thing I enjoy the most is the people, the agents. I really enjoy engaging with our employees and seeing how they're making such big differences in our community, and really being their cheerleader and letting them know what a great job that they are doing. I think a lot of times we get bogged down in the day-to-day stuff and don't really realize what a difference we're making in our community, and it takes somebody, I guess, a little bit from the outside to come in and say, hey, look what you're doing. And I think that's probably the most fun, is just really being a cheerleader for all of these counties. Just the contacts you make with the people that you see in the community, and you go places and you see people and they're like, oh, hi Judi, thank you so much for helping me here, thank you so much. Extension just grounds you in your communities, and I just think it's a really great way to make a difference in people's lives. I'm Judi O'Bryan, and really looking forward to the changes we have ahead and getting to work one-on-one with all of our counties.